Today we're doing a microwave turntable motor replacement on a GE profile microwave. This microwave is about 12 to 13 years old, and like so many of these, it's starting to make noise, so it needs to be replaced. Now, what we have here is the original motor on the left, and the orientation of these is, it's mounted into the microwave like this, upside down with the shaft pointing up, and then you have this little plastic piece here that actually connects to the circular. It's kind of like a plate, right? Like a turntable. So as I said, this is a problem because it started to make noise. So I ordered a replacement, and I ordered exactly the same motor that came or was included in the original unit, and they sent something slightly different. Now, fortunately, these motors are exactly the same specifications. They come in classifications. This is a Class F. Both of these are Class Fs. They are 50 to 60 hertz, 2.5 to 3 RPMs, and about 200 milliamps. So the new one has the same specs, but as you can see, the casing on this one on the right it's different. So it won't mount into the sheet metal, at least not the way the original one did. It has these little ears. One of the ears goes into like a clip, and the other one is held in place with a screw. So my plan here, instead of going through the trouble of shipping this back and bickering back and forth with the vendor about, not sending me what I ordered, perhaps they substituted this. I'm not sure, but it wasn't what they sent me wasn't as pictured and wasn't as specified. So I will take a Dremel tool and I'll cut some of the metal away, which will allow me to mount this exactly the way the old motor was mounted. And it does work. I've already plugged it in, so it does rotate. It doesn't make any noise. There's no sound, so that's good. Mission accomplished there, but this is going to take a little bit of modifying to make it fit into the original unit. Okay, we're back. I have modified the newer of the two motors, removed some of the metal here, which gives access or provides access to this clip. As I mentioned before, this is the orientation. You do kind of a slight turn to get this clip to slide into the sheet metal on the bottom of the microwave, and then this one over here on the other side is held in place by a single screw. This is effectively how you can make this different type of housing to fit in place of the original. And I am well aware this is a SM16F, and this one is an SSM 16HR. So not what I ordered, but this is what the vendor sent me, and I'm trying to take care of this without too much hassle, just to adapt this to the older style or the different style of mount. So looks like it's going to work fine, and there's really nothing to it. As far as taking it apart, it was just Phillips head screwdriver. There's, I believe, 10 bolts on the bottom of the microwave that hold the cover in place. You pop that off and you have access to the motor, and like I said, one screw is all that is holding this in place on the bottom of the microwave. So this should do it. And here's a view of the turntable motor fully installed. Noise free. Mission accomplished.